Welcome back to the channel, fellow adventurers. If you're new here, we do EDC gear review and knife review videos. If that's your kind of thing, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. All right, so in this box, we have a knife from Ryder. This is the Red Fox series. This is their Barlow. Comes in this really nice box. This is an older knife because it says Ryder with an I as opposed to Y, which is what they're currently using. But it has this really nice box. As it says on the back, always high quality, handmade pocket knives. It is made in China, but I wouldn't let that scare you off. It comes in this quality magnetic sealed box. It says Ryder inside. And there you go. You've got your knife. Take it out of the box. And look at that. Move this out. And just check that out. It's got the black and red micarta with the Red Fox inlay. It's got the nickel bolsters. It's two blades. First off, you have your pen blade. It has your nice half stop there. Clicks out really nicely. It's got your Ryder logo right there. And it's got your match strike right here. So you can strike a match on that. And it's got a little bit of a swedge. Look at that, a little baby swedge. So this is a really small knife, as you can see, compared to my finger. It's not a big knife at all. But again, it's got that nice half stop, that nice talk sound to it. On the other side, you've got your clip point blade, which also has a nice half stop to it. Again, the Ryder logo right there. These are a 440A stainless steel blade. This one's a clip point, a little bit bigger. Again, you have your match strike there. Decent swedge, a little bit bigger for some other tasks. I would not say this is going to be a hard use knife. This is going to be for whittling wood around the campfire, opening boxes, things like that. You know, cutting some rope, maybe opening an envelope. Obviously not a heavy duty use knife, but just look at how beautiful that is. That Red Fox is laid in there perfectly. You can't feel where it starts and where it ends. And you can see the red coming through with the black micarta. So that's going to wear nice over time. You've got your brass liners. Of course, then your stainless steel. It's multi-layered because of the two blades. You've got pinned very nicely as well. And those are in here pretty much flush. You don't feel them, which is nice. And it's got a little bit of tension there. I wouldn't say it's a lot of tension, but enough that you don't think you're going to close it on yourself that easy. And again, it's got that half stop. So you're really going to have a hard time closing it on yourself. But listen to that sound. And I don't have great nails, so let's pull this one out first. I mean, just pops right out of there. It has a great sound. And pop that back up so you can hear it. That beautiful sound there. Again, beautiful half stop. Nice pop on the open. I think it's just a really great knife. So if you're looking for an inexpensive, high quality, slip joint, maybe fifth pocket knife, you know, something small just to knock around on, you can't beat these. These are basically selling for under $10 and just a great little knife. Not a lot to say because it's not a lot to the knife, but I want everybody to see it. It is a very high quality knife and everything is perfectly centered. Just want to show you that. Blades are perfectly centered in there. And they just did a terrific job with that. Kudos to Ryder. And again, this is an older model, but if you like slip joints and you're looking for a small one, absolutely go ahead and buy this one. It's a great little knife. With that being said, as I always say, till we meet again, keep your blades sharp.